A fluffy cat so soft and white saw a rabbit small and bright. With gentle paws and a happy cheer, she said, "Come, my friend, no need to fear." She filled the tub so big and wide, splish, splash, water swirled inside. She scrubbed the bunny nice and neat till he smelled so fresh and sweet. She brushed his fur so soft and long, rolling him round like a ball so strong. The rabbit giggled, twirled and spun. "Oh dear cat, this is fun." She found a shirt, red and new, and tiny pants in bright sky blue. She dressed him up with love and care. Now he looked so cool and fair. Then came dinner, warm and yummy, carrots, peas, and toast so tummy. The rabbit ate with happy delight, his belly full, his heart so light. At last she rocked him to and fro, hummed a tune soft and slow. The rabbit yawned, his eyes shut tight, snuggled close. What a lovely night.
Please subscribe our channel, like and share for more watch videos.